Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So if you notice that your device's performance dropped lower and you have no idea what you can do about it, you have the pre-installed application of your device, which is called Security. So you have to enter it, agree with it. After it scans like different features of your device that could be optimized. Then you just tap optimize, and after a few seconds, like these features will be repaired, optimized, and your device will be working faster after that for like 100%. I assure you. You can also make a security scan, check your device for viruses like this. You can like clean storage from the dump files. And as you can see, my device is all good. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.